In this video, we're going to talk through figuring out your software needs. You're a non-tech founder. You've got an idea, but you go, I don't know how to make that into a thing. Well, that's where we help. My name is Chris McClure. I'm CEO of McClure Dev Solutions. And let's walk through the process. So when someone comes to me, they've got a great idea, something they want to build. They have a problem they want to solve. They've seen something else that's kind of good, but they know they have a better solution. But how do they turn that into something? Well, very first thing I do is we start talking about it. We talk about the problem it's going to solve, but then we talk about who are the users. There's multiple different types. Generally, we think of an app as something where someone comes to it and they buy a thing. But we always have to remember there's multiple types of users. What are they going to see? How are they going to interact with your application? So let's go through a simple example. So you don't like Craigslist. You want to make your own new cool marketplace, right? Seems like a simple idea. You just have an area, people log in, they can see stuff, and they can buy it or bid it. Well, it doesn't work that way so much. Because not only do you have your people who want to purchase from you, but then you also have a whole different user experience for the people who want to sell on your application. So for you, the first thing I would do is I would think about as a non-tech founder is who are the kind of people that are going to be using my application? What are their roles going to be? What permissions are they going to have? It's called user groups and roles. I know, slick name, right? But now, not only those two, but we always have to remember pretty much every application needs some sort of admin portal. What's an admin portal? Well, that's a place for you as the owner, for people who work for the business, people who want to be able to see important stats like how many people are on the system this day? What's the money look like? How many sales have we made? How's the application performing? And that admin portal is their area to log in so they can really get a feel and understand what's going on. Heck, what if you want to change content on the site? Generally, there's some sort of admin portal for you to be able to jump in and do that. So let's run it back. Very first thing I would do if I were you is I would go through and think of all my different users. Think about their experiences. Think about what they need to do in the application. And as I always say, we want to keep it as simple as possible. You can always build out more, but it's so important that you start with something simple.